Did not allow him to put it on the floor and get by.
Oh! Are you kidding? Play of the decade! Play of the decade!
We'll see that time and time again, Chad Hartman.
We got to see it again right now. Unbelievable.
Even the Sacramento Kings fans are applauding that.
Tonight could be historic as LeBron James only 7 points away from getting to 30,000. He'd be the 7th player in NBA history to accomplish that goal. And Crowder starts it off with a bang with that triple off a good penetration there from J.R. Smith.
Big shot for Crowder right there.
Yeah.
I mean, that's definitely got to be a confidence builder for him. He's been struggling from the three-point line.
Already a timeout by Greg Popovich. Not happy. Cavs by 3.
Collier threw it right to Tatum with a head of steam behind the back.
Oh, yeah. Give him an assist. How about that for vision?
That's a soccer move. Is that Messi out there with the rainbow? Kicking it to himself.
Oh, that was sweet.
They're showing it on the Jumbotron here.
I was upset he didn't get it that time. McGrady bumps. Big.
Oh, blocked by Robinson!
Oh, my
Nate Robinson with the rejection.
And Yao Ming is hurt.
Well, here's Nate Robinson coming over. That's a clean block. That's a clean.
Matt Bynum has played very well for the Raptors coming off the bench this afternoon. Anderson flies in. Counted foul.
Now let's see if he does this. Oh, he does this blindfolded.
Unbelievable.
This could be a 4-point play, Chuck. You got to get some extra points.
You do.
OP going up here. Can't see it. Still makes the shot.
Unbelievable.
Pressure here with the shot clock. Jay Will fires away. And somehow a miraculous shot by Gates and Wallace.
Is that going to count?
Will go up.
Folks, take a look at this. You probably won't see this happen again for another 35 years. He was behind the backboard, and he was...
Donovan Mitchell and Garland, Darius Garland, right from the top. Wow!
Look at Buddy Hield.
So much confidence because of the work he puts into it.
48 straight with a 3.
Johnny Newman on a tough shot. Gill, half court. Oh! It went down. They scored. They scored. Kendall Gill. It hit off the top of the backboard and went in.
And Philadelphia up by 7. Oh, Rothman behind the back, splitting through. It counts and a foul again. And it goes through Thompson's legs. Look at that. It goes through Thompson's legs. Wow. I like this one too.
For this from the opening tap.
Jason Kidd making contact with Mike Woodson. Woodson was on the court.
Jason Kidd deliberately puts that left elbow out to force the contact.
Obviously, a veteran play. Woodson didn't really see him coming, and it is a technical foul on
A
Woodson.
pretty heady move.
Oliver Miller underneath, off the backboard, no basket. Oh, he says score the basket. Jake says score the basket, and the Suns win it. Charles Barkley, incredible.
Somebody's got to go to the basket to drag some people.
Celtics looking for a miracle. Nets just trying to hold on. Knocked away, thrown up, and good! Good! Incredible! Absolutely incredible at the buzzer.
Can't happen. Absolutely can happen. A steal.
Is Jackson racing out of the center of the floor.
Picked up by Doncic, gets to the rim. And we've got a wedgie. It'll be a jump ball. Clippers rebound, Jackson the other way. Reggie. I've never, ever seen it 2 times in a game.
By the same player in overtime. I'm blaming it on
The game. Look, he's trying to say he did it. He hid behind Spoelstra. He actually hid behind him and came out and got the steal.
That was an all-time play by Wirtz. Boy, I tell you, hiding behind the coach, and then all of a sudden he runs back on the floor and scores.
Booker got it. Are you kidding me?
I mean, if you want to define the phrase grandma shot, that defines the phrase grandma shot.
I have never seen anything like that in a game, ever.